Number five is probably the best and easiest side hustle that anybody can get started with. And it's super easy to get started with. And virtually anybody can do this thing. There's no excuses. If you don't want to be on camera, you don't have to do that. You won't have to create any products. You won't have to buy any products. You won't have to deal with customers. It even gives you free traffic and you won't have to worry about all the traffic. And me, I think any and everybody who is alive and breathing should do this side hustle right here. And it's called the Amazon Influencer Program. So let me show you how this actually works in the Amazon Influencer Program. If you go to Amazon.com and you go to just any of the product pages, on any one of those product pages, if you watch one of the videos, you'll notice this pops up. And if you scroll down over here to your left, you'll see something called customer review videos. Now, these are people who are actually signed up for the Amazon Influencer Program. And when you watch their video or make a purchase, they're going to receive a commission. For example, this person right here just made a simple review right here. And if I like this product after review and I go and make a purchase, they're going to receive a commission. And what's cool about this thing, these videos don't have to be thought out so specifically. You can just pick up your phone and just start talking. All you got to do is just talk about the product. And all you got to do is just make sure that product is actually on Amazon. But you don't have to worry about your lighting, any sound. You don't have to worry about your background. You don't have to worry about tags or hashtags or title or SEO. Just takes whatever's in your house that you know you've purchased on Amazon or you know that's on Amazon, make a review about it, upload it into your account. And when somebody watches that video, if they make a purchase after, Amazon is going to pay you a referral commission, even though you didn't actually refer anybody. You just did a review. Now, what I like about Amazon is the biggest thing that everybody always has a problem with in any business is traffic. And Amazon takes care of all the traffic for you. So when you upload your video, it's going to automatically place those videos on the correct product pages. And on top of that, it's going to also place your video on any product pages that's related to the review that you're doing. Now, this is one of the things I absolutely could not leave off the tables, and it has quickly become one of my main sources of income. And as you can see, I've done over 828 videos, but all you have to do is just apply and sign up. Once you get approved, you can start creating videos and start earning passive income with Amazon. Now, the cool thing about this, if that person decides to not purchase that actual product, but they purchase something different, they'll click it to your referral link. So even if they don't purchase that product, but they purchase something else, you're still going to get a commission for whatever product or products that they purchase. Now, if you're interested in earning more about this side hustle, I did make a video about it, so I make sure it pops up on the screen right about now. That's going to be all for this video, you guys. I hope one of these gave you some ideas and showed you some ways that you can start making some income right now. And these are the top 5 side hustles that actually work. Till then, you guys, I see you in the next video. Stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side.